something about the morning coffee that just makes it taste better. If you're located between Whistler and Hope in British Columbia in Canada, then I have an opportunity for you, so keep watching. I am looking for 5 shops between Whistler and Hope to bring this camera out. I've got a couple wireless mics and make a video sharing and getting to know you and your story. Why would you do this? Well, creating video work. If you're coming to watch mine, you understand the value that's there to be able to share and to reach people all around the world. You may not know where to start, and I want to help you with that. I really want to be able to get to know more shops, more manufacturers. This is going to help me polish my skills, and it's going to help me share your story. And maybe that'll help you get a new potential customer. Who knows? You're still watching, you're interested. What's this going to look like? But first, more coffee. I will show up, I've got a tripod and I've got the camera, a couple wireless mics. We'll do some questions on camera, and then I will also go around taking some video of the shop to put in over top. We'll definitely record for less than an hour. In the end, the edited video will be somewhere between 10 and 20 minutes. The editing is all included. So if you are interested and you have the authority, this is very important, you have the authority to make it so I can come on site and you know what's allowed on camera, what's not allowed on camera. The video that comes out, you will have final say to make sure there's nothing that shows up on there that you're like, actually that customer's a little hush hush. It's the world of manufacturing, I get that. I would like to get started shooting in February 2022. So we're coming up, we're already the 20-something of January. Let's get you a video and help you reach more potential customers. Send me a message. It's that simple. We can work out the details from there. Hopefully talk to you soon. Coffee.